Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to give access on Hostinger. So if you want to collaborate on one of your websites with someone else, it's really easy to do. So from the Hostinger homepage, you're going to log into your account. Once you're inside, we are going to take a look up into the top right hand corner where your profile picture will be. I'm going to click on that and then click on account sharing. So this is where you can give access to someone. So click on the give access tab at the top and then again click give access for the button. And then you want to tell Hostinger who you want to give access to. So you will need to enter their email address. Then you choose what you want to share with someone. Is it one of your websites or one of the domains? So choose one of those. And then you need to assign them a role. So what do you want to give them access to? So the admin role allows the new person to manage services and make purchases using an added payment method, or a collaborator allows them to manage services. So go ahead, choose one of those and give access to the person you want to collaborate with, and that's it. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.